Hi, I'm Christopher with CK Customs PA. Today, we are going to be featuring the Pattern HTV Sample Bundle from Heat Transfer Warehouse. With the bundle, you get 15 12 by 12 sheets, 2 yards of 12-inch KTM transfer mask, and a squeegee. Okay, I've already unboxed our Pattern HTV Sample Bundle. Let's see what we got. So here's our 2 yards of KTM and our squeegee. This squeegee is fantastic. It can not only be used to apply the KTM mask to our patterned vinyl, it can also be used to apply adhesive vinyl to any substrate. And it is one of my favorites because it is malleable and it has a little bit of flex to it there, which is great for anything that's a little bit round, a little bit oddly shaped. Again, one of my favorites. With the Buffalo Plaid, we have 2 different sizes. We have the 1 inch by 1 inch, and then the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. And then we'll go through the different colors that are in the bundle. So, we have the black and red. We have a blue and black, and that's in the 1/2. We have a yellow and blue. We have the larger 1 inch by 1 inch blue and black. We have an orange and black in the 1 inch by 1 inch. We have a pink and red in the 1/2. In the 1/2, we have a orange and black. This one. We have a black and white in the 1/2. We have a green and black in the 1/2. A red and black. So that matches the first one. We have a light green and green in the 1/2. A green and black in the 1 by 1. A pastel pink and blue, which is really cute. This reminds me of like Easter, even for like it's a baby announcement shirts, or that just comes to mind when I look at this one. Similar with this next one that's coming up, this brown and blue kind of reminds me of the popular colors that were out there for babies items at one point. And that's in the 1/2. And then we have the black and the white in the 1 by 1. I'll put a link in the description below. 15 sheets of patterned HTV, 2 yards of KTM transfer sheet, and a squeegee. And the nice thing about the transfer sheet is this is reusable. You can use it to transfer one, press it with your heat press, and then come back and use it on another piece. You just have to put it right back onto the back. And if you're not going to press it right away, but you want to cut it ahead of time, go ahead and cut it and weed it, and then transfer it over to the KTM mask, which is the clear part, and it's sticky. And then put the white backing on it, and then just store it as a flat sheet. And then you'll be able to press it later. You just want to remove that backing before you press it. And that was our walkthrough of the Pattern HTV Sample Bundle from Heat Transfer Warehouse. The link again is in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day. Happy crafting!